Are you familiar with static charge in your day-to-day? When you get out of the car and get a shock when you close the door, or when you want to clean the TV screen with a cloth and the dust won't come off. In these cases, the effect is just annoying. But are you aware of the implications for your factory when static electricity is present? Static electricity is the invisible OEE killer that creates downtime, bottlenecks, and waste. Fortunately, there is a reliable and effective solution for removing it from all surface types: ionizers. Static can seriously affect the availability and performance of the machines, as it can cause material clogging, defects on a cutting operation, poor product placement, and so on, which can lead to machine downtimes longer than 10 minutes. Or it can affect the performance by slowing down the optimum working speed of a machine due to the resistance in the passing material caused by the electrostatic charge. These are, for the most part, visible problems. But static also has negative effects that may not be noticed by the human eye. This is of particular importance in industries such as the automotive or pharmaceutical industry, for example, where the quality requirements are very demanding in terms of contaminating particles. Knowing this, how can we identify when and where we have a static problem? Well, we are very used to measure machine parameters to identify problems and areas for improvement, such as pressure switches, flow meters. In the case of static, we can also detect critical points and monitor them through sensors and monitors. This must be the first step to eliminate the static with guarantee. So, if you have identified such problems or suspect you may be suffering from them, do not hesitate to contact the expert at SMC, and we will be happy to advise you on how to put an end to static electricity in your production lines.